how it came into the golf ball. Okay? So the purpose of this lesson today, because we're not always going to hit a straight shot, okay? In fact, it's probably the hardest thing to do is to hit the ball straight. It's a lot easier to make the ball curve one way or the other, okay? So the goal for today's lesson, I want to show you guys how to maybe shape your shots a little bit easier without trying to overcompensate your swing, okay? And that's all going to correlate to how you set up to the golf ball. Now, if I wanted to hit a draw, what I would try to do is first get my body pointing a little bit to the right of my target, okay? Because I want that ball to come back to the right, okay? So by doing that, body's a little bit to the right, okay? So now for me to hit a draw, I'm going to stand a little bit further away from the golf ball. What that's going to force me to do is to come from the inside a little bit, okay? So just standard golf shot here. I'm trying to hit the ball right to left. I'm going to take my setup. I'm going to align my shoulders and my body a little bit to the right of my target. And the ball is a little bit more to the outside. So when I come back in, that club is moving towards the golf ball, away from my body. So if I make a swing here, we can see that ball slightly coming back to the left, okay? So that's your draw, okay?
And all the time the face of your club is still pointing towards the target?
So your club face is pointing to where you want that ball to start. Okay. So now, if I'm going to hit, let's say, a little bit of a left to right shot, which for me is a hard shot to hit, but what I want to do, I want to stand a little bit closer to the golf ball. Okay, so now what that does, that creates a little bit steeper club path for me and coming across my body. Now if I do this correctly, my club face, I'm going to try to start it right at that green flag, but if I do this correctly, it should curve the other direction. The wind kind of pushed it back straight, okay? So the goal of this lesson here, for this clinic, is to play around with the ball positions to try to shape the ball, different ways. So we'll call it the